Okay, oh wow, 40 centimeters of snow we've had, and now it's still it's still it's still snowing, and we went for a quick walk to get a bit of a warm up through the area. So now we got to start clearing this up, and so let's see. I guess I'll start from here, and then, well, it'll take about an hour to clear this up, and it's going to be great exercise. So I got to really make sure and do a warm up before I do this, because our blood, the vessels constrict when it's cold. So that's why we went for a walk to get a little warmed up, and then come out here, do a few breathing exercises, do a few stretches before we do this. So it's still snowing, but I guess we'll start clearing it up now, and then we might have to do another one tomorrow. And some of our neighbors are lucky to have machines like that. But we'll do it manually. But this neighborhood does have a machine, but he's not here at the moment. So, all right. So let's start the process. There we go. So yeah, that was the first one. So we'll continue on, and until next time, be well, be happy.